Yes, you can beat the pre and post periods sickness or changing weather sickness. May the blessings of Baba Syam be with you and your family forever. Our Almighty Baba Syam, God. Post COVID, a general problem is coming globally, not only in your specific country, but globally. The periodic sickness among the women. Females are suffering of the periodic sickness. Definitely, no doubt, post COVID, the COVID virus also started to live with us, live with human body. We all well understand that is it started to live in our body. Our body is just resisting. Body developed the resistance power, and by that resistance power, we are living with the COVID virus. COVID is not vanished. Virus is not vanished. Virus is with us, but now our body is started to fight. But generally, what happened with the female? What happened with the women? That whenever periods come, they are they need more ammunitions, more guns to fight with the existing COVID virus in the body. So the guns and ammunition, dose of vitamin C. Simple, simple. 2 lemon in a day during periods. If you take 2 lemons in a day, one in morning time and one in afternoon, you will beat the sickness during periods and post period sickness, especially cough, cold, headache, cramps, fatigue, these all symptoms. What will happen when you take 2 lemons in a day, one in morning time, one afternoon? First, you get the potassium, required potassium. Potassium helps to reduce the tiredness or body weakness and a sort of water retention in the body. This swelling on the face, so it is a water retention. It is a lack of the potassium. So the required potassium will be absorbed in the body by the help of lemon, and you will feel better. This way, potassium absorption will help the body to balance the sodium, and you will feel better during the periods and post period. Second thing, vitamin C in the lemon will help to build the flavonoids level in your body. Flavonoids are required to dilate the blood in the body, in the cells. So that will help to reduce the clotting and better movement of the blood. If blood movement is very good, you will feel better and low chance of the any sickness pre or post periods. Flavonoids help on it. Third and most important, lemon vitamin C helps to absorb the iron. If iron is not absorbed in the body from the food you take, your blood will be like lion without teeth. It will not be able to fight with the external virus or bacteria, so you fall sick. Iron absorption is very necessary for fit body, so lemon will help on it also. And now let's see the fourth most important point. Third and most important, lemon vitamin C helps to absorb the iron. If iron is not absorbed in the body from the food you take, your blood will be like lion without teeth. It will not be able to fight with the lemons are rich on antioxidants, sort of energy drink. Antioxidants help you to beat the external risk in the body by the virus or bacteria. These all things I'm saying not new. All are from the Indian Ayurveda. We have Atharveda. All are lemon, and all things are listed there. These things are not just things are shared with you to remind, because I keep studying the Atharveda, Indian Ayurveda. So I seen this is the global problem. Cough, cold by changing weather, is winter to spring, spring to summer. Now again a catch will be there. In last month we shifted from the winter to spring. Now we will shift from spring to summer. So again a catch, again a risk will be there. So keep two lemons a day handy, simple, and Indian Ayurveda or Ayurveda will help you to beat the chance of pre or post periods sickness. Enjoy. Jai Sri Syam.